Navigating liability risks. How ISF affects customs broker insurance. Welcome, customs brokers and trade professionals. Today, we're exploring the intricate relationship between importer security filing, ISF, and customs broker liability insurance. ISF regulations impose stringent requirements on data accuracy and timeliness, increasing the liability exposure for customs brokers in the event of errors or omissions. Join us as we delve into the impact of ISF on customs broker liability insurance, uncovering strategies to mitigate risks, ensure compliance, and safeguard against potential liabilities. Understanding importer security filing. Before we explore customs broker liability insurance, let's revisit importer security filing, ISF, and its significance in international trade. ISF mandates the electronic submission of detailed shipment information to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, before cargo departure from foreign ports. Compliance with ISF requirements is essential for enhancing supply chain security, facilitating customs clearance, and mitigating regulatory risks. Heightened liability exposure. ISF regulations amplify the liability exposure for customs brokers, as accurate and timely data submission is paramount for compliance. Errors or omissions in ISF filings can result in penalties, fines, shipment delays, and potential disruptions to supply chain operations. Customs brokers must recognize the increased liability risks associated with ISF and take proactive measures to mitigate potential exposures. Coverage requirements. The impact of ISF on customs broker liability insurance necessitates a review of coverage requirements and policy provisions. Customs brokers should ensure that their insurance policies provide adequate coverage for ISF-related liabilities, including errors in data submission, compliance violations, and regulatory penalties. Collaborating with experienced insurance providers specializing in customs brokerage can help brokers tailor coverage to their specific needs and risk profile. Risk management practices. Effective risk management practices are essential for mitigating liabilities associated with ISF compliance. Customs brokers should implement robust internal controls, data validation procedures, and compliance monitoring mechanisms to minimize the risk of errors in ISF filings. Investing in staff training, technology solutions, and compliance-focused policies enhances the accuracy and reliability of ISF submissions, reducing the likelihood of insurance claims. Compliance-focused policies. Customs brokers should adopt compliance-focused policies and procedures to align with ISF requirements and mitigate insurance risks. These policies should outline clear guidelines for data validation, submission timelines, regulatory updates, and risk mitigation strategies. By fostering a culture of compliance and accountability, customs brokers can demonstrate diligence in fulfilling their obligations and reduce exposure to potential liabilities. Policy review and updates. Regular review and updates of customs broker liability insurance policies are essential to ensure alignment with evolving ISF regulations and risk profiles. Brokers should collaborate closely with their insurance providers to assess coverage adequacy, policy exclusions, and emerging risks related to ISF compliance. Proactive policy adjustments based on changing regulatory landscapes and industry trends enable customs brokers to maintain comprehensive coverage and financial protection. Claims management and response. In the event of ISF-related liabilities, effective claims management and response protocols are crucial for customs brokers. Brokers should have procedures in place for promptly reporting incidents to their insurance carriers, documenting relevant information, and coordinating with legal counsel if necessary. Timely and proactive engagement with insurance providers facilitates the resolution of claims and minimizes the impact on business operations and reputation. As we conclude, remember that importer security filing, ISF, significantly influences customs broker liability insurance, increasing the need for comprehensive coverage and risk management strategies. By understanding the impact of ISF on insurance liabilities and implementing proactive measures to mitigate risks, customs brokers can navigate compliance challenges with confidence and safeguard their businesses. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your customs operations and risk management practices. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on navigating the complexities of customs brokerage and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements.